Welcome to the class, guys. So today we will see about a special permission, and in a special permission, there are three types of a special permission. We have already covered about first one, which is the SUID. So today we will see about the SGID. If we talk about the SGID, what's the impact on directories? For the file, it is similar as the SUID, means file execute as the group that own the file. But what about the impact on directories? File that are created in the directory have a group owner to match the group owner of the directory. So we can understand these things with the help of some example. Let's see. If we check ls-l/home, we will get to know that there are some home directory, just like Raj, Rahul, student, test, Sachin, like that. So what we are going to do, I'm just going to enter in any specific directory and I will create some file. I am as a root user, so if I am just become test user, I will check my home directory. So it is /home/test. Now, if I just create one file, so it will be touch one. Now, if we press enter, one file will be created. mkdir one_dir ls-l. So you have seen that you have the file one and user owner is the test, group owner is the test. Similarly, you have directory and test is the user owner and test is the group owner. Now, so it is just like basic nature. Whenever a user is creating any file or directory, he will get as a user owner and his primary groups become the group owner. Now, I am as a root user, I am going to create one file, touch, and in which location? Into the home directory of the test user. File name, root, old. Now go and check. If you come and check in the home directory of test user, then you will find that there is a file one which is created by test. So test will be user owner and test will be group owner. In the similar way, if you're looking for one_dir, one_dir is a directory which is created by test user, and you will find that here also test is the user owner and test is the group owner. Now, root user is creating a file in that location and he will get his own user owner and group owner. But right now, if you want that anyone in this directory, in the home directory of test user, is creating some file or directory, so he will get their own ownership, user ownership. But group owner should always be test. So how it is possible? It can be possible with the help of SGID. Now SGID will help you. Okay, let's check. ls-l/home. If you check for the test user home directory, you will find there is no S. In this place, if there is S, it will come under the SUID. If you're talking about the SCID, it will come in this location. How you will give this SGID? chmod g+s. Then location will be /home/test. Now verify again ls-l/home. Now you can check S is applied there. S for the SGID in this place. Now updating the bash, execute the bash. After it, we just have to check that we will get the new impact or not. So as a root user, I'm going to create a new file. In which location? Home directory of the test user. Then root new. I created After creation, I have to check that it is updated or not. I will go there ls-l/home, then /test, then root_new. Now, if you check, you will find that this file, which is created by root user, in the home directory of test user, he will get the root user owner, but the group owner is not root. It is changed to test. So that is the things we want, and it is possible with the help of SGID. You can also check with the directory. I am creating one directory to the home directory of the test user. Now check it. Here also you will find that this directory, which is created in /home/test location, or you can say in the home directory of the test user, this directory having user owner root, but group owner is test. So this is all about the SGID. So we can repeat it again that file that are created in the directory have a group owner to match the group owner of the directory. So this is about the SGID. Thank you guys. We will meet in next video.